we've only got about 2 hours more of flight. Epic waterfall if we make it to the end. Look at that little packet of bloody gorgeous. It'll be so rewarding when we make it to the end. There's one. Welcome back, guys. I am up near Mossman this weekend for a off-track waterfall adventure. Just a little bit of a day trip today. But yeah, we're going to be doing a pretty epic hike and hopefully see this epic waterfall if we make it to the end. I was planning on doing it solo, but kind of chickened out halfway through my drive. So I ended up heading back home, grabbing Logan, and we've made it here. So let's go. Just made it to our second creek crossing. We're about 3 k's in. We've got probably 2.5 k's to go. So we've got to cross this creek and then we're heading up a little bit further. You need a what? A stick. A stick? Yeah. Why do we need a stick? It's a spider web. Let me know if you see any spider webs. No. Better you take the spider web. Me. Look at that little fucker. Lots of leeches, couple of little creek crossings and boulder hopping. It's been pretty technical, but it'll be so rewarding when we make it to the end. So I am excited. You good? Yeah. is absolutely nuts. Literally putting our hands on vines every 5 seconds. But it's actually taken us a lot longer to get to the falls than expected. So we've just sat down for a quick little feed and to replenish our water from the waterfall. It took us a lot longer to get up here than expected, so we've only got about 2 hours more of light, so we pretty much just got to leg it on the way back as safe as we possibly can, and yeah, then go from there. We're back at the little river, well, the big river crossing that we have. So we pretty much just got to get over that, up the hill, and then we're back onto the Devil's Thumb track. And we've probably got a half an hour and then we're back. So we'll probably get back in around 2 hours, but it's pretty much been in the dark. Took us about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get back. We absolutely legged it back down, but yeah, we're back at the car. Obviously it's pitch black, so we had our torches, but yeah, we will pretty much just be getting changed, having a feed, heading home, and then starting our week tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I will see you next week.